Ladies and gentlemen, you're very welcome to Dublin. The local time here is 7:30. For your own comfort and safety, please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a final stop. The overhead seatbelt sign switched off and the doors have been opened. Please check the overhead bin, seat pocket, front view and floor area around your seat for personal belongings before leaving. Do take particular care when opening up the overhead bins, as items which may have become displaced during the flight could fall out, causing injury. And for those of you who have connecting flights from Dublin this morning, if you have a boarding card for your next flight, check the flight screens for your departure gate and proceed to that gate. For those of you who have not been issued with boarding cards, proceed to the Flight Connection Centre, for our uniformed ground staff will be on hand to assist you. Tommy done a break on a Chevron Thurishal and a new Bogomig Sloan August 1 live. And ladies and gentlemen, just a special word to the Wyndham Jaggers. We wish you all the very best in your upcoming match. So again, on behalf of us all here in our Lingus, the best of luck.